What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtones for your contacts on your Android device. Now here I am using a Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 with Android 8.0 audio. So the first thing I need to do is go to contact, and from the list choose the contact that I want to set the custom ringtone for, and let's say I choose this one. And I tap on details, then I tap on edit at the top right here, and then I scroll down and I tap on view more. I scroll down and here I can find ringtone. I tap on it, and from the list I can choose the ringtone that I want. So let's choose this one. I go back and here it is chosen, and then I can choose as well the vibration pattern. So I tap on it, I choose from the list, I go back. Okay, so when you're done with the ringtone and vibration, you tap on save at the top right here. And here it is, okay? So if you want to choose another contact, you go back and from the list, tap on the contact, details, edit, scroll down, view more, ringtone, choose the ringtone, vibration, choose the vibration, and tap on save. And that's about it, guys. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like it and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what would you like me to show you in my next videos. Thank you for watching and take care.